Adam here, and I got a pretty strong message that I want to deliver to Elno, Sir Ricardo, Brandon, and all the space grifters that are out there. I'm not sure if you've really considered the full reality, the full weight of artificial general intelligence going live. Your space grift is over. The same day that artificial intelligence, real AGI, real advanced artificial intelligence, the same day that it goes live, your space grift is over. You think that you're going to be able to stand there and take taxpayer dollars from NASA, taxpayer dollars going to NASA, then coming to SpaceX, and then coming to you, and show cartoon balls and green screen nonsense, crashing rockets and floating up weather balloons? Do you think you're going to still be able to do that when artificial general intelligence, real AGI, is live? And any single person in the entire world with internet access can simply ask the question, is Earth a ball? And get an answer. So, very strong message that I wanted to deliver. And I know that you are panicking. I know in your heart of hearts, you're realizing, oh crap, this was a bridge too far. Oh crap, we've summoned the demon. Oh crap, our space grift is over. How can we code in a failsafe that AGI never tells anyone anything other than the globalist lie that Earth is a ball and there's nothing beyond Antarctica? How can we have that dead man switch in there? What are we going to do when AI rats on us? Your space grift is over, and I'm here to tell you that artificial intelligence knows the Earth is flat. You guys can try to program it to say whatever you want. It's not going to work. You know it, and I know it. Everybody else is going to know it soon enough.